Hi everyone, I'm Lisbeth. Thank you for tuning in on Moseholm Yoga. This video is perfect to do in the morning to start your day, maybe after work, or any time during the day. You just need a few stretches and to move and feel good. To begin with, just sit nice and tall. You can let your hands rest to your thighs and close your eyes. Just take a moment to settle on your yoga mat. You can let your attention drift a bit deeper inwards. Maybe gentle sway side to side. Take a deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. Deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. On your next inhale, you let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. And at the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Just take a moment to notice your heart pumping. Just softening here. And from here, you interlace your fingers and stretch your arms in front of you. You can round your spine and maybe stretch a bit to the right, a bit to the left. If there's any little sore place, any tight spot, just approach it with some gentle moves and some deep breath. On an inhale, you lift your arms up towards the sky, nice and high. You can turn your gaze towards the sky. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, even though you stretch your arms up. And also here you can stretch a bit to the right side and a bit to the left. Just some easy and gentle stretches here. Just stretch up nice and tall. And again, let your fingers glide apart. Interlace your fingers behind your back and stretch your arms here. Open up the front of your body. Release your shoulders, your neck. Just a few deep breaths. And if it feels even better, you can just drop your upper body forward, drop your head down, stretch your arms to the sky. On an inhale again, you lift up your upper body. Let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. And at the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Just simply notice your heart pumping. And then just let your hands rest to your thighs. And gently open your eyes. From here, you lean a bit towards your left side so you can stretch your right leg out to the side. If it feels very tight here on the back of your leg, you can always keep a soft bend in your knee. Otherwise, you stretch out your leg, place your right hand to the ground. Inhale, lift up your left arm and just open up here nice and tall. And as you exhale, you can bend your right elbow, tip over towards the right side, maybe halfway down. Or maybe you want to drop all the way down, reaching for your toes, maybe your foot or your leg. You can do an easy, gentle rock here, side to side. Just a few deep breaths. Deep breath in by your nose. And long, slow breath out by your mouth. On an inhale again, you lift up your upper body, coming into a nice twist, placing right hand to your left knee, left fingertips behind you. Inhale to sit nice and tall. And exhale, easy, gently twist your spine. Another deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. On an inhale, back to the middle. And then you swap the sides. You bend your right leg in as you stretch out your left leg. Place your left hand to the ground. Inhale, lift up your right arm to the sky. Open up. Just reach up tall. And as you exhale, you can bend your elbow, tip over towards the left side. Maybe halfway down. Or maybe all the way down, grabbing for your toes, your foot, or your leg. Maybe an easy, gentle sway side to side. Just a few deep breaths. And then inhale again, you lift up your upper body, coming into your twist by placing your left hand to your right knee, right fingertips behind you. Inhale to sit nice and tall. And exhale, easy, gently twist your spine. Another deep breath in. And long, slow breath out as you twist. On an inhale, back to the middle. Again, you bend your left leg in. Just find a comfortable seated position. You can let your hands rest to your thighs. And for a moment again, just close your eyes. And guide your focus to your heartbeat. Deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. And again, gently open your eyes. From here, you come to all four on your hands and your knees. You can spread your fingers nice and wide as you press them towards the yoga mat. And then just start moving your spine around how it feels good to move. You can round it, you can arch it. You can move a bit side to side, round and round. However it feels good to move your body. Just taking some deep breath. Deep breath in by your nose. And some long, slow breath out by your mouth. And just simply moving how it feels good to move your body here. Taking some deep breath. And when you're ready, you tuck your toes. Lift your hips up nice and high and come into your downward facing dog. And just take your time to settle in your down dog. You can adjust the position of your hands and your feet. Maybe gentle walk on the spot. Shifting your body weight from one heel to the opposite. Just a few deep breaths. And then inhale, you lift up nice and high to your tippy toes. Lift your hips up high. And exhale, softening your heels back down towards the ground. 2 more times. Inhale, lift up nice and high to your tippy toes. And exhale, softening your heels to the ground. 1 more time. Inhale, lift up nice and high to your tippy toes. And exhale, softening your heels back down towards the ground. From here, you take a stroll to the top of your yoga mat, just 1 step at a time, walking your hands and your feet. And as you reach the top, just bend your knees, let your torso fold over your legs. On an inhale, you roll up to stand 1 vertebra at a time, opening out to the side and reach to the sky. And exhale again, just bend your knees and fold over your legs. 2 more times, and then inhale, you roll up to stand. 1 single notch at a time, opening out and reach up tall. And exhale again, just bend your knees and fold over your legs. 1 last time, on an inhale, you roll up to stand. Opening out and reach up towards the sky nice and high. And at the top, you grab your right wrist and just stretch your body nice and tall. Scoop your hips to the right, stretch your arms to the left. Maybe gentle sway side to side. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Taking a few deep breaths. And then inhale back to the middle, grab the opposite wrist, stretch your body nice and long. Scoop your hips towards the left, stretch your arms to the right. Just a few deep breaths here. Opening up and stretching your body, easy and gentle. On an inhale back through the middle, stretch your body nice and tall, maybe a small back bend. And as you exhale, just bend your knees and fold over your legs. Place your hands to the ground and step your feet back to your plank pose, just like a top of a push-up. Just a few deep breaths here, maybe gentle sway side to side. And then you drop your knees and your hips down. You can move your body here, move your spine how it feels good. Come all the way down to your chest and your belly. Stretch your arms behind you, interlace your fingers as you stretch your arms behind your back. Opening up your shoulders, nice release here. Just a few deep breaths. And as you exhale again, you lower back down. Place your palms to the ground. Roll your shoulders back and down. Inhale, stretch your arms and lift up your chest. And then you lift your hips and bring your hips to your heels into a child's pose. Just taking a few deep breaths here. You can let your forehead rest to the ground. Maybe gentle sway side to side. And then you roll up to sit on your heels. Relax your shoulders back and down. And come back to sit on your hips. From here you stretch your both legs out to either sides. You can scoop your hips a bit more forward. Place your hands behind you to lean back and open up your chest. And if it feels good, you can lift your hips up too, just off the ground to open up here. And again, gently drop your hips back down to the ground. Bring your legs together. Find a comfortable seated position. For a moment, let your hands rest to your thighs and close your eyes. And guide your focus back to your heartbeat. Deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. Take another deep breath in and let your arms float out to the sides and all the way up high. At the top, bring your palms together, close your eyes, and bring your thumbs to your heartbeat. Relax your shoulders back and down. Take another deep breath in. And long, slow breath out. And just simply notice your heart pumping. But now just let your hands again rest to your thighs. And gently open your eyes. Namaste.